Hey sunshines, how's your week? It's a big day because we're going to watch a drone show. Yeah, I totally did not put these previews to hook you watch to the end. Anyway, I promised you last week and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Oh, and in response to your comment, I promise I'll never quit YouTube. Never. Sometimes life gets in the way and I might not upload as often, but I'll always be here for you. I care about you and I love you. Okay, back to the point. It's now 4 o'clock and the show starts in 4 hours, so we still got a little time for a city walk. Let's go. Some of you might wonder why I always take public transportation instead of driving. Well, let's just say that driving in Chongqing can be a lot. The city's terrain is super unique, so traffic jams hit hard. But obviously not today. Anyway, public transportation is much faster and more convenient. So yeah, that's why. And also, I'm a little scared of driving. Yeah, don't judge me. So I'm already at this place. The spot is perfect for watching the show. So this place is called Danzishi Square. You can see the Yangtze River right in front. It's the longest river in Asia. The whole city is surrounded by the river, and I promise you it'll look much better when the lights are on. So make sure you stick to the end. Hi. And just when I was about to grab some B-roll of the view, a grandpa started chatting with me out of nowhere. Basically, he showed me some videos from the drone show last time. He said his kids and grandkids live abroad, so he planned to live stream the show for them tonight. He then showed me a few better spots to watch. One random chat with a stranger, maybe that's what they mean by small joys in ordinary moments. So after saying goodbye to the grandpa, I rushed to the other spot he recommended. This place is so popular that I was low-key worried that if I was even a minute late, it'd be packed already. But luckily, I had left myself plenty of time in the plan. And this new spot really did not disappoint. I guess good things are always worth the wait. After this, I found a place nearby to rest, just waiting for the sunset and the drone show to begin. And now it's time for the show. You know, what truly blew me away wasn't the show itself, but the fact that as a Gen Z, I was born right at the beginning of this tech revolution, and I've watched it unfold step by step. I can physically feel how human imagination is turning into reality. So maybe what I should really be amazed at is the imagination humans had so many years ago.